life, emotions, relationships, and even our difficulties arises because certain conditions come together. When those conditions change or disappear, things also change or fade. This is impermanence. Impermanence is not negative. It simply describes reality. But because we hope that what we love will not change and what we have will not be lost, the mind becomes unsettled when change appears. From this attachment comes suffering. Today, most people have enough to eat and a place to live. But many suffer inwardly. People are often caught between regret for the past and anxiety about the future, unable to let the mind settle. Buddhism reminds us that the past cannot be changed and the future cannot be fully controlled. But there is one thing we can always choose: how our mind responds to what is happening right now. This is why mindfulness is so important. When the mind returns to the present moment, it relaxes, becomes steady, and gains clarity. Such steadiness is already a form of deep well-being. So what is true happiness? In Buddhism, real happiness has three qualities. It brings no harm, it can last, and it does not rely entirely on external conditions. It can arise from within the mind itself. Many of the pleasures we chase, shopping, drinking, screen addiction, gambling, and in some cases drugs, bring only brief excitement followed by heaviness or guilt. Drug use in particular creates dependence and deeper suffering. If we think of life as an investment, the principle becomes clear. Using substances to escape pain is like putting all our capital into a high-risk project that almost always fails. By contrast, training the mind through mindfulness is a low-cost, low-risk, long-term investment with steady returns. Mindfulness is simple to practice. Sitting quietly and feeling the breath, walking slowly and sensing each step. Drinking tea with full attention, letting the mind rest in one action at a time. These practices may look small, but they strengthen the mind and reduce anxiety and impulsiveness. When we speak of addiction, it is important to remember most people who fall into it are not bad people. They are people in pain, overwhelmed by loneliness, fear, pressure, or a deep inner restlessness. They reached for something that promised quick relief, but the relief did not last. From a Buddhist perspective, they deserve understanding and support. If they learn to meet their painful emotions with mindfulness instead of running from them, the urge to depend on substances can slowly weaken. Families, communities, and temples can help by offering safety, compassion, and guidance. Life will not always follow our wishes, and the world will not stop changing. But we can always learn to meet each moment with clarity, steadiness, and kindness. May we all find peace through practice, and may each moment become a place where our minds can safely rest.